Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I don't blame you. Speaking clearly, I don't blame you. Don't look to see what that tariqat has to offer. First, you have to be clear what you want. What you want. If you understand sincerely what you want, and ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. There is no way to spirituality without the path of spirituality. That's a given. You may say, I don't find myself attracted. I said, that's true. I give you the benefit of the doubt. It's true. But there are always in this world 124,000 saints, friends of Allah. You find yourself not attracted because they're like this or they're like that. Then say, Ya Rabbi, bring me to one friend of Allah, hidden or open, that will teach me about myself and about you. If that is your aim, to learn about yourself and to learn about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, to be a servant. If your aim is something else, is dunya, there are other tarikats. Ask that. Allah is going to bring you to a tarikat that's going to open dunya. If your purpose is to see lights, Allah will bring you to a tarikat. I can bring you to a tarikat. They're saying you have to see, you can go to see lights. You're going to do this and you're going to see lights. That Shaykh is saying, my murid is not a murid if he doesn't see lights. You have to. First you have to know what is it that you want. You know? Isn't that what they advise us? Isn't it? Isn't that what they advise us even when you want to go shopping? First you have to know what you want. You have a list. Stick to that list. Otherwise you're just going like this and you're going to end up being cheated, that's all. So know what you want. If you want to be a servant of Allah, that is very, let's say, unglamorous servant of Allah. And to tarikat to become servant of Allah, I came to tarikat to be a saint, man. You're going to say. Then ask for that, Allah will show you the way too. But no, our Shaykh has taught us through 1400 years of the Nakshibendi way that every title and every name and every honor that is given to the Holy Prophet ﷺ, when he was asked, which one is your favorite? He says, Abdullah, to be a servant to Allah. And this is our aim, to become Abdullah. So, if you really want to clean yourself up, be sincere and ask. Allah will bring you to someone, with or without tarikat. But this is Ahir Zaman, where black is white and white is black. Don't trust your own eyes too. Because where the treasures are always hidden, buried, it is always in ruins. From the outside, it looks like it is nothing. But the inside, you'll find treasures. But you know what? Who is guarding the treasures? Dragons are guarding the treasures. You have to get past that dragon to enter into that. It's not going to be so easy to. Yes, go to those ones who's going to teach you. This dragon that is inside of you, that you'll be able to ride. Understand? Then it'll bring you to the treasure. Without a guide, one thing is for certain, you cannot do it without a guide. You can try. If you don't agree with me, it's okay. You don't have to agree with me. You'll only be disagreeing with 124,000 prophets, but you don't have to. Because Hazrat Bastami is saying, the one who has no Shaykh, his Shaykh is Shaitan. The one who has no guide, his guide is evil. Find a guide. And Hazrat Rumi is saying, the one who has no guide, the journey of 1 year will take you 1 lifetime. So we need to spend that lifetime being on the way, not looking for the way. Otherwise, once we find out, an angel of death comes and takes it, it's finished. Ya Allah, forgive me. Allah make it easy for you. Assalamu alaikum. It's much just enough. Amin Allahu tawfiq al-Fatiha.